The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, home to a vast array of fascinating animals. Here are 10 notable animals found in the Amazon rainforest. Jaguar. The jaguar is a magnificent big cat species found in the Amazon rainforest, as well as other parts of Central and South America. It is the third largest big cat in the world, known for its striking golden yellow coat adorned with dark rosettes. Jaguars are incredibly powerful predators, capable of delivering a fatal bite to their prey with their strong jaws. These solitary and elusive creatures are often associated with myths and legends in indigenous cultures across their range. They are known for their excellent hunting skills, often stalking and ambushing their prey, which includes a wide variety of animals like deer, capybaras, and even caimans. Jaguars play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the Amazon ecosystem, as they help control prey populations, thereby contributing to the overall health of the rainforest. However, habitat loss and poaching pose significant threats to these iconic creatures, making their conservation a vital concern. Anaconda. The anaconda is a legendary and formidable serpent inhabiting the Amazon rainforest, known for its immense size and aquatic nature. Specifically, the green anaconda is the largest and heaviest snake species globally, with individuals capable of reaching lengths exceeding 30 feet and weighing hundreds of pounds. These massive snakes are expert swimmers and are often found in the water, including rivers, lakes, and swamps throughout the Amazon basin. Anacondas are powerful constrictors, subduing their prey through suffocation after striking with incredible speed. They typically consume a variety of prey, ranging from fish, birds, and small mammals to larger animals like deer and caimans. Despite their reputation, anacondas are reclusive and pose minimal threats to humans. Nevertheless, they face habitat destruction, primarily due to deforestation and wetland drainage, making them a species of concern. Efforts are ongoing to conserve these fascinating giants of the Amazon. Harpy Eagle. The harpy eagle is a majestic and iconic bird of prey native to the Amazon rainforest and other parts of Central and South America. This impressive raptor is known for its powerful build, striking appearance, and immense size, with wingspans that can exceed 7 feet. Harpy eagles are revered as one of the world's largest and most powerful eagles, boasting strong talons, which can be as long as a grizzly bear's claws, and sharp beaks. Their primary diet consists of tree-dwelling mammals such as sloths, monkeys, and opossums. They are excellent hunters, utilizing stealth and agility to navigate the dense rainforest canopy. These eagles hold cultural significance in various indigenous societies and are considered a flagship species for conservation efforts in the Amazon due to their role as apex predators. However, they are threatened by habitat loss and illegal hunting, and as a result, they are classified as near threatened, making their preservation a crucial concern for the Amazon's biodiversity. Sloth. Sloths are intriguing and iconic creatures that inhabit the Amazon rainforest, known for their unique lifestyle and leisurely pace. There are two main species found in the Amazon: the three-toed sloth and the two-toed sloth. These arboreal mammals spend the majority of their lives hanging upside down from tree branches, moving at a remarkably slow speed, often taking days to cover just a few meters. Sloths have a specialized diet of leaves, which are hard to digest and provide minimal energy, contributing to their unhurried nature. Their slow movement and algae-covered fur help them blend seamlessly into the lush, green foliage of the rainforest. Their calm demeanor and low-energy lifestyle minimize their exposure to predators, including eagles and big cats. Sloths play an essential role in the ecosystem by promoting algal growth on their fur, which, in turn, provides food and camouflage for them. Although their deliberate pace has its place in the Amazon's intricate web of life, sloths face threats due to habitat destruction and road fatality, highlighting the need for their conservation. Poison dart frog. The poison dart frog, native to the Amazon rainforest and other parts of Central and South America, is renowned for its vibrant colors and the potent toxins it carries. These small frogs, measuring just a few centimeters in length, come in a stunning array of colors and patterns, often serving as a warning sign to potential predators that they are highly toxic. Several indigenous tribes in the Amazon have used the secretions from these frogs to poison the tips of blow darts, which is how they acquired their name. The toxins are potent and can be lethal when ingested or introduced into the bloodstream. Poison dart frogs are a fascinating example of how organisms in the Amazon rainforest have evolved to survive and protect themselves in a harsh environment. Their brilliant colors and toxic skin secretions are both a testament to their ecological niche and a reminder of the remarkable biodiversity found in the Amazon, making them an important focus of conservation efforts. Capachin monkey. Capachin monkeys, scientifically known as cebus, are agile and intelligent primates found throughout the Amazon rainforest. These monkeys are recognized by their distinctive cappuccino-like coloration on their heads, which resembles a hood or cap, giving them their name. Capachins are highly social creatures and live in groups, often led by a dominant male. They are known for their remarkable tool-using abilities, using sticks and rocks to open nuts, catch insects, or even dig for roots. Their ingenuity in finding and using tools demonstrates their problem-solving skills and adaptability. As omnivores, Capachin monkeys have a varied diet, including fruits, leaves, insects, and small vertebrates. Their presence in the Amazon plays a vital role in seed dispersal and maintaining the forest ecosystem. Capachin monkeys are a significant part of the Amazon's biodiversity and have captured the interest of researchers studying primate behavior and cognition. However, like many other Amazonian species, they face habitat loss and poaching threats, making their conservation essential. Amazon River Dolphin. The Amazon River dolphin, locally known as the Bodo or pink river dolphin, is a unique and enigmatic species inhabiting the Amazon River and its tributaries. It is known for its striking pink coloration, which becomes more vivid as the animal ages. These freshwater dolphins are the largest of their kind and have a bulbous forehead, which is thought to play a role in echolocation and communication. Amazon River dolphins are highly adapted to their aquatic environment, with long, flexible bodies and a distinct lack of dorsal fins, allowing them to navigate through submerged vegetation. They are social and often seen in small groups, and their diet primarily consists of fish and crustaceans. These dolphins have cultural significance in Amazonian folklore and are considered mystical beings by some indigenous communities. However, they face threats due to habitat degradation, pollution, and accidental entanglement in fishing gear. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these remarkable creatures and their freshwater habitats. Tapir. The Amazonian tapir, or Brazilian tapir, is a remarkable herbivorous mammal found in the Amazon rainforest and various other regions of South America. These animals are known for their distinct appearance, characterized by a sturdy build, prehensile snout, and a short, bristly coat. Tapirs are primarily solitary creatures, venturing through the dense rainforest to forage on a diet of leaves, fruits, and aquatic plants. Their prehensile snout enables them to grasp and pluck vegetation efficiently. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem by aiding in seed dispersal. Despite their size and strength, tapirs are generally reclusive and nocturnal, relying on their camouflage to evade predators such as jaguars and large snakes. These unique mammals are classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss and hunting, emphasizing the need for conservation measures to protect both their populations and the diverse ecosystems they inhabit within the Amazon rainforest. Piranha. Piranhas are infamous carnivorous fish native to the Amazon River and its tributaries. They are known for their sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and predatory behavior. Contrary to their reputation as mindless killers, piranhas are actually an integral part of the Amazonian ecosystem, helping to control populations of other fish and maintain the balance of the food chain. Piranhas have a varied diet, including fish, insects, crustaceans, and even carrion. They are opportunistic feeders and tend to hunt in groups, making them more effective predators. Some species of piranhas exhibit migratory behavior, moving between flooded forests during the rainy season and open water during the dry season. While piranha attacks on humans are rare and often occur in specific circumstances, they have earned a fearsome reputation in popular culture. In reality, most piranha species are more interested in scavenging than in actively hunting larger animals. They are an important and fascinating component of the Amazon's diverse aquatic ecosystem. Giant river otter. The giant river otter, scientifically known as Pteronura brasiliensis, is a remarkable and highly social species of otter native to the Amazon and Orinoco River basins in South America. These otters are the largest in the world, with some individuals reaching up to 6 feet in length. Known for their striking appearance, they have sleek, dark brown fur and distinctive cream-colored throats and chests. Giant river otters are highly vocal, using a complex system of vocalizations to communicate within their close-knit family groups. They are skilled hunters and primarily feed on fish, which are abundant in the Amazon's waterways. These otters play a significant role in maintaining the aquatic ecosystem by regulating fish populations. Despite their adaptability and intelligence, giant river otters face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and poaching. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating creatures and ensure their survival in the Amazon's unique aquatic habitats. These are just a few of the incredible animals that call the Amazon rainforest home. The region is teeming with diverse wildlife, making it a critical hotspot for biodiversity conservation.